Here are top fascinating facts about visiting India. First stop, Majuli Island. It's the world's largest river island, tucked away in Assam. Perfect for nature lovers and culture buffs. Next, head to Hampi. This ancient village is packed with fascinating ruins and breathtaking landscapes. It's like stepping into a time machine. Ever heard of Chitrakoot Falls? Known as the Niagara Falls of India, it's a must-see in Chhattisgarh. Get ready to be wowed. Feeling adventurous? Check out the living root bridges in Meghalaya. These natural wonders are hand-woven by local tribes using tree roots. Finally, visit the serene town of Varkala in Kerala. It's got stunning cliffs, pristine beaches, and a peaceful vibe. Perfect for a relaxing getaway. So next time you're in India, skip the usual spots, explore these hidden gems, and make your trip unforgettable. Happy travels.